The commissioning ceremony for the Indian Navy's newest stealth-guided missile destroyer Imphal is scheduled to take place at Mumbai's Naval Dockyard on December 26. The event, with Defence Minister Rajnath Singh as the chief guest, signifies the formal induction into the Navy of the third vessel from the Visakhapatnam class destroyers. These destroyers are designed in-house by the Indian Navy's Warship Design Bureau and constructed by Mumbai's Mazagaon Dock Limited. Earlier on 29th November, Rajnath Singh unveiled the crest of Yard 12706 Imphal, Indian Navy's third stealth-guided missile destroyer. The INS Imphal, named after the city in the northeastern region, is a significant addition to the Indian Navy as the first capital warship named after a city from this area. The commissioning ceremony, set to honour Manipur's sacrifices and contributions to India's freedom struggle, marks a historic moment. After commissioning, INS Imphal will become part of the Western Naval Command. This guided missile destroyer boasts a displacement of 7,400 tons and a length of 164 meters. It is equipped with cutting-edge weapons and sensors, including surface-to-air missiles, anti-ship missiles, and torpedoes. Powered by combined gas and gas propulsion, INS Imphal can achieve speeds exceeding 30 knots. The destroyer features medium-range surface-to-air missiles, BrahMos surface-to-surface missiles, indigenous torpedo tube launchers, anti-submarine indigenous rocket launchers, and a 76mm super rapid gun mount. Crafted by the Indian Navy's Warship Design Bureau and brought to life by Mazagaon Dock Shipbuilders, INS Imphal, the third vessel in the Visakhapatnam class stealth-guided missile destroyer series, proudly showcases 75% indigenous content. With a length of 163 meters and a displacement of 7,400 tons, this achievement reflects India's advancing shipbuilding capabilities, aligning seamlessly with the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, or a self-reliant India. Boasting high levels of automation and incorporating stealth features, INS Imphal significantly enhances India's naval fleet. Notably, the construction and testing of INS Imphal set a record for the shortest duration in the creation of any indigenous destroyer, from keel laying on May 19, 2017 to its launch into water on April 20, 2019.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.